Hey everyone, it's Katie with WTI. Have you ever found yourself in the situation where you go to lunch, you say yes to all the garlicky goodness, but then you have to go back to work and you're feeling just a little bit less than fresh? Well, if you're ever in that situation, please don't think that mints are going to cut it, because they're really not. What you need is one of these Brushees. These Brushees are individual, on-the-go, pre-pasted toothbrushes, but they also have floss and a toothpick as well. So if you said yes to the salad, good job. You can now get it out of your teeth with the floss or the toothpick. What I love so much about these Brushees is that they are individually wrapped. So you can store them in your purse, you can store them in your car, you can put them in a backpack or other bag, and you know it's going to stay nice and sanitary. But also they're pre-pasted. How cool is that? You just have to start brushing. This does have a nice fresh mint flavor, but it's not strong. So my kids can brush their teeth with this and not think, oh my goodness, this is hot, I'm dying. But it's definitely there. I can't tell you enough how much I've enjoyed using these Brushees and just how convenient they are. Like, I can't get over it. And they're so small and compact, they're perfect. But that's just my point of view.